All right, let's talk about building modern systems that, actually work.
So why do they fail so often? Because in today's world, the old rulebook just doesn't apply.
So many teams are stuck doing manual ClickUps. It's slow, error-prone, and honestly, outdated.
The real solution? It's a new mindset, bringing DevOps and SRE together.
And this isn't just theory. We're talking over 20 years of in-the-trenches experience.
Think of this as a practical roadmap, one for anyone who wants to master this stuff.
Okay, so where do we start? Well, it all begins with a solid foundation.
And that foundation rests on 5 key pillars that every engineer needs to know. Pillar 1 is observability. Basically, you need to know what's going on inside your system.
You get that by mastering the big 3: metrics, login, and tracing. Simple as that.
Another huge piece is automation, using what we call infrastructure as code, or IaC. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's not just about the technical skills. The absolute best engineers, they master the human systems that support the tech.
A huge part of that is building a blameless culture when things, inevitably break.
And it means managing on-call in a way that doesn't just completely burn people out.
You do all this, and you end up with teams and systems that are truly resilient.
So what does this all mean for you? Well, it's a direct path to career growth.
You'll know exactly how to nail interviews and become a real leader in this space. Because the ultimate goal here is to build things with a lasting impact, systems and teams.
Look, your systems are evolving every single day. The real question is, are your skills?